Guys, it's Nick. It's Thursday night in Monastiraki, Athens. I'm gonna take a walk around and see what's going on tonight over towards Plaka. So there's a big crowd out tonight. I was here last night. It was probably about the same, maybe even a little less. And I walked around the bars across the street behind A is for Athens Hotel. Now I'm going to walk around in this direction, and there seems to be a lot of people out here still at about 11:15 at night. And this place is very good. I've eaten here, and as you can see, they got a whole lot of customers, so it's got to be good. Now you can't tell just from one night of walking around if the tourists in Greece are back in full force compared to maybe before the pandemic, but I was talking to my cousin today who is actually a tour guide at the Acropolis and at Olympia, and what he said is that maybe 2020, 2021 compared to 2019 was almost zero tourists compared to 2019. What he's saying now is that this year is actually, he's saying, more people than 2019. Although he is saying that there are more people, but he seems to think that they're spending less. You know, so maybe they're taking the trip out here, but they're not maybe buying big fancy meals or a lot of, you know, souvenirs and jewelry or stuff like that, but at least they're coming. So that's a good sign. And, you know, I see nothing but crowds out here. And this is a real nice restaurant. I should come here and do a walkthrough. It has a basement level as well. And there's actually a TGI Fridays here. I forgot about that. So let's head this way. So there's the Acropolis up there. We're very close. Now, a lot of the shops are closed right now. I think they close, I don't know, 10, 11 or something. French people. So it looks like it's slowed down a little bit here in Plaka. Usually this place is packed. Oh, there's a good amount of people here. Nice looking place. And as my cousin was telling me yesterday, this is Roman ruins over here. So it looks, it reminds me a little of the Roman Forum in Italy.
Shame they don't tell you what it is.
It's a restaurant.
And if you go straight ahead, intersecting is, I believe that's Ermou, the shopping street. Place is pretty lively over here. Oh, and there's my favorite hamburger place, Pax. So yeah, this is Ermou. And there's some good little restaurants around here. A lot of young people come out here, you know, from the bars to soak up the alcohol late at night. So if you come here around 12, 1 o'clock or something, it's pretty packed. It's even busy right now. You got that late night, you know, bar food, quick and easy and greasy and cheap. And Pax, this place is really good, and they got a burger and fries and a beer for $6.90 during the week. I love this place. I'll be coming back here sometime during the week. But yeah, this is kind of the place to eat after you're done drinking, I guess. There's a really nice church right here. It's kind of a funky shisha bar kind of place. The chandeliers, gypsy jungle. So there's a nice little area to come to as well. If you don't want to go to the places that's behind A is for Athens Hotel. And I don't know what this is, but this looks like the latest Madonna mask. I don't know what's going on here. It's kind of creepy what they're selling, but yeah, that's not for me. Guys, that's a little look around Plaka late at night in the area around Ermou and Monastiraki and all that. It's the middle of August, about 11:30 at night, Thursday night. You see how many people are out here. So if you're out here, come check it out. If you're thinking of coming out here and are wondering what it's like, now you know. So I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.